In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to annotate in Tableau. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or a newcomer to data visualization, adding annotations in Tableau can significantly enhance your visual storytelling by providing insightful comments directly on your visualizations. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Tableau's official website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you're new to Tableau, you'll need to sign up, which is a straightforward process and gives you access to all the fantastic features Tableau offers. Once you're in, locate your existing workbook. If you have several workbooks, you can use the search bar to find the one you want to work with quickly. Open it by clicking on it, and you'll be directed to the workbook interface where all the magic of data visualization happens. Now, let's focus on the area of your visualization you want to annotate. This could be a specific data point, a group of data points, or a broader area of the chart that you want to highlight. Selecting the correct area ensures your annotations are meaningful and relevant. With the area in sight, you have a few annotation options to choose from: mark, point, or area. Each type has its own use cases: mark for annotating a single data point for a specific location on the chart, and area to cover a larger section. Decide which one best fits your need. To add the annotation, simply right-click on the selected area. From the context menu that appears, hover over the Annotate option. Here, you'll see the options again: mark, point, or area. Choose the type of annotation you intend to use. A dialog box labeled Edit Annotation will pop up, and this is where you can type in your desired text. This is also an excellent time to incorporate fields from your data to make dynamic annotations that update as your data changes. This feature ensures your insights evolve as your dataset does. Once you have your annotation text in place, you can further customize it. Think about how you want your annotation to appear visually. You can adjust its appearance, position, and even interaction settings. If you have calculated fields, you can incorporate them for more advanced use scenarios. That's it. Adding annotations in Tableau is a powerful way to make your data visualizations speak volumes. They provide context, highlight significant data points, and can make complex data easier to understand. I hope you found this step-by-step guide useful, and that it helps you create more effective, engaging visualizations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more data visualization tips and tricks.